guys! Mabuhay! My name is Connie Lagura. If you're not subscribed yet, you can subscribe on my channel and then click on the notification bell for more updates. So today I'm gonna do a real unboxing of my dream bag. But before that, I'm gonna tell you a short story, a chit chat, how I obtain it, okay? So after my work, like a 12 to 13 hour shift, my husband picked me up and then we drove all the way to Dallas for around 5 hours. I just had a quick shower and then I was dropped off again by my husband in the Chanel boutique store in Highland Park Village. So, but before that day, I had to call earlier around 11 a.m. The Chanel boutique store if they're open and if they can accommodate walk-in. Since I was trying to book online for a few weeks before we went to Dallas or days before, but for some reason I'm unable to do any appointment online on the Chanel website. So I spoke with a customer service representative. She told me I can just go walk in there, but I had to make sure that I'll be there like 2 hours before the closing time, because I think an hour before that they're not accommodating walk-ins already, but don't quote me on that. And then I asked them if the dream bag that I want, the bags that I like, the options that I have are available. She said she's not sure, but they have the new collection, the 21A pre-fall, arrive in store that week. So probably that's the reason that the line was long. And it was too hot. I had to wait for like almost 2 hours in line before I can get in. Because of the pandemic, I mean, they just allowed, I think, 2 to 3 customers inside the boutique, or it probably depends if an SA is available to entertain the customers. So they have the 21A pre-fall collection, or the Métiers darts. I'm sorry, I'm not sure if I pronounced that correctly. And I was so excited. I was taking pictures and video outside the boutique. So my husband bribed me to come with him in Dallas because he has an event, and then he told me that Dallas has a Chanel boutique store. We do have a store here, but it's a Neiman Marcus Chanel store. The selection is limited compared to the Chanel boutique store in Dallas. Because I've been to also the Domain Chanel, Neiman Marcus, so they have like limited styles. So I was hoping I can get more selection, I can choose more, and I have more option in the Chanel Dallas boutique. So luckily around probably before 5 p.m. I was able to get in store. The SA asked me what I want. I asked him first if you have the mini rectangular. He said it's hard to find, it's usually reserved. And then I asked him, do you have the Coco handle? I showed him the pictures, the codes, and he said, I'll check. And then he said they don't have it. So, but he offered me the 21A pre-fall collection. They have Coco handle, but it was the mini one. I didn't like it because for me, I wanted to buy a bag that fits my phone. I'm using iPhone 11 Pro Max, so it's like the bigger phone, and then keys, card holders, makeup kits, or anything. I mean, I want a spacious bag. So I don't know if he misunderstood me, but yeah. Fast forward, I was about to buy this black flap bag. It is like a small one, close to a mini rectangular, but has an adjustable chain. He was about to pack it, but one customer came in, and then he was offered, he's a guy, okay, he was offered a Coco handle, black, small, and I was like, I told my SA, that was the bag I was looking for. And he said, oh, I didn't know that you want a bigger bag. I was like, yes, I showed you the pictures and codes, right? And then that guy was also offered a chocolate brown. And I was so excited but nervous that he might pick the black one. But sadly, he chose the black one. So I ended up having the dark brown or chocolate brown in the new collection. So I told my SA, can I just take a look at the chocolate brown Coco handle? I've been stocking Coco handle ever since 2019. I love the style of the bag. It's very trendy, fashionable, and then versatile. You can do a lot of things in that bag, like crossbody, shoulder bag, and top handle. So I was like, can I see it? And then I was like really torn between the small black flap with the adjustable chain and then the Coco handle. But the thing is, the small one, it could only fit my phone and probably key and then keys or card holder. But this big Coco handle, small size, that it looks like same size with a medium or jumbo of flap bag, the classic style, the classic flap bag. So I was like, I can put a lot of things in here, and then it has like 1, 2, 3 compartments in it. And I was like, oh, this is the bag that I was looking for. So of course I chose the Coco handle in chocolate brown, and I was convincing myself that it's close to black, so hopefully I'll really love it and I really use it. But I'm very thankful because I know Coco handle are really also hard to find. So do unboxing with me, and here is the paper bag. Yay, the paper bag. The paper bag with the camellia and the ribbon. Here's the box. It's so huge. It is huge. It's a huge box. Okay, let's unbox it. Let's unbox my dream bag. It was really packed really good. I can say that. Kudos to my SA. So this is the receipt. This is the receipt. And then this is the camellia. I'm gonna remove it. Just bear with me. It's hard to remove it. Okay, it's so cute. Finally, I have this. And then this is the, I don't wanna, this is the ribbon. Chanel. Okay, and then I'm gonna the microfiber cloth. I think this is a microfiber cloth to wipe the dust on your bag. Not quite sure. I have to read the care card. And also this one is the really big care card, how to take care of your bag. This is the Coco handle. Yeah, with all the tissue. Let's remove it so that you can see her beauty. Oops. So guys, as you can see, this is the Coco handle. I'll show you the tag. It looks black on the lighting inside my closet, but it says here dark brown. Yeah. So it is part of the 21A collection. It retails 4,500 plus tax. So I think the tax was almost $400. So I think I paid around 4,900. So the hardware, as you can see, it is a light gold, which can be worn when you're wearing gold or silver. It's not too flashy, so you can use it casually. And the leather is a grain calf leather or the caviar leather. It's very durable leather. It can be daily used and also less delicate. No need to baby your bag and not prone to scratches. And this is the style. It's the Coco handle small, but the size is I think it looks like the same with a medium classic flap, but I'm not quite too sure about that. So it's very girly, very stylish, trendy. It's a seasonal, however. This style is like considered like a classic, and it has a top handle that you can put on the crook of your hand, and then you can also use the removable strap, which has leather, so it's not gonna hurt your shoulder. So you can do crossbody or shoulder bag on this. So this is very popular also, so sometimes it's hard to find in store, even online. So definitely it's one of my dream bags. It's a thumbs up, and it's hard to find, and if you'll find it with a pre-loved market, sometimes it's above retail price. So as you can see, I think it can fit a lot of things inside. So as you can see at the CC logo, yes, the interlock, you'll see there's like a Chanel in here, and then this is the removable strap. Let me remove this covering. So this is really new. Oh, how pretty is the chain, right? See? The chain is so nice. See? And then this is the top handle. And then this is the metal in here. It shows Chanel. Also there. This is the removable, yes. So one thing with this bag, it has 4 feet with gold hardware. So this bag will really stand, and it's very sturdy because of this top handle. And this bag has also a dust bag. So this is the lap. So 2 pockets, 2 compartments, actually 3. Just one little zipper pocket in the middle, and also here. And then as you can see, so that's the closest I can get. Actually showing like Chanel, Paris. I don't know if you can read it because of the lights. And then it's a full leather. I think the previous collection, it wasn't leather. And then no authenticity card already. They're using the gold plate inside. See, gold plate inside the bag. No date. I think the date codes is there in the plate, but it's just hard for me to take a video of it. Yes, and here, and then of course the Mona Lisa pocket of the bag. You can put your phone in here if you have smaller phone. Yeah, and then what I like with the strap is it has a leather in here, so it wouldn't hurt your shoulder if you have to carry a lot of things. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, it looks like a burgundy chocolate brown. So in natural light, it looks like dark brown. Without the natural light, the bag looks like black, right? It's so cute. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. Shoulder bag. You can also use it as a crossbody bag if you're on the go. The chain is so elegant, but what I like most is the leather here, so it won't hurt your shoulder. The versatile style, you can use it as a tap handle, like this, like this.
Hi, on our way to Chanel to buy my dream bag. It's either the mini rectangular flap or the Coco Chanel.
I hope you like my unboxing of my trim bag. Cute.